Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a very important topic: how to make a better day to improve English. English is very useful in our life. We can use English for work, school, travel, and talking with people from different countries. Many people want to learn English, but sometimes learning English is not easy. Some people feel tired, confused, or afraid. Some people feel shy or nervous when they speak English. But today, I want to tell you that every day can be a better day to improve English. You can improve little by little if you try every day. First, we needed to have a positive mind. A positive mind is very important. Sometimes learning English is difficult. Sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we do not understand words or sentences. This is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes help us learn. If we have a positive mind, we feel happy, calm, and confident. We can enjoy learning English and feel proud of small success. Second, we need to make small goals. Small goals are very helpful. For example, we can learn 5 new words today. We can read one small story. We can listen to one English song. We can speak 3 sentences in English. Small goals are easy and simple. They give us energy and confidence. If we reach small goals every day, we can reach big goals in the future. Big goals are good, but small goals are more useful every day. Third, we need to practice all skills. English has 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. All skills are important. Reading helps us know new words. Writing helps us remember words. Listening helps us understand people. Speaking helps us communicate. We should practice all skills every day. Even 10 minutes for reading, 10 minutes for writing, 10 minutes for listening, and 10 minutes for speaking is enough. Small practice every day is very useful. Fourth, we can use fun ways, to learn English. Learning English is easier and better when it is fun. We can listen to English songs. We can watch English movies. We can play English games on our phone or computer. We can use apps to learn words or grammar. Fun learning makes nagagas happy. It also helps us remember new words better. For example, we can sing a song and learn 5 new words from the song. Or we can watch a cartoon and understand short sentences. Fun learning makes English more interesting. Fifth, we need to speak English every day. Speaking is very important. Many people feel shy or afraid when speaking English. They worry about mistakes. But mistakes are normal. If we do not speak, we cannot improve speaking. We can start with small sentences. We can say hello to friends in English. We can say I like apples or I am happy today. We can practice with friends, teachers, or language apps. Speaking a little every day is better than nothing. Speaking helps us communicate, be confident, and feel proud. Sixth, we need to see small progress every day. Progress is very important. We can learn 1 word, 1 sentence, or 1 story every day. Small progress helps us feel happy. Small progress helps us believe in ourselves. We do not need to learn everything in 1 day. We just need to improve little by little. Every day is a new opportunity to improve. When we see progress, we feel motivated and ready for the next day. Seventh, we need to stay motivated. Motivation is the key to success. We can motivate ourselves by thinking about our future. We can think, I want to speak English with friends. I want to travel and use English. I want a good job and speak English well. Motivation helps us continue learning even when it is difficult. We can also give ourselves small rewards. For example, we can eat a favorite food or watch a small video after learning. Rewards make learning English more fun. Eighth, we can help each other. Learning English is easier with friends or a group. We can practice together, talk together, and correct each other. Friends can encourage us when we feel tired or bored. Teaching someone else is also helpful. When we explain a word or sentence to someone, we remember it better. Learning together is more fun and effective. Ninth, we can use English in our daily life. Using English every day helps us remember and practice. For example, we can write a short sentence in English every morning. Today is a good day. Or we can label things in our house with English words. Door, table, chair, window. We can speak English in small moments. I am drinking water, or I like this song. Using English in daily life makes it real and useful. 10th, we need to believe in ourselves. Belief is very important. We can say, I can learn English. I can speak English. I can improve every day. Belief gives us courage and confidence. Learning English is a journey. Every small step is important. If we believe in ourselves, we can continue even when it is difficult. Every day can be a better day if we believe in ourselves. Finally, a better day to improve English is a day with positive mind, small goals, practice, fun, speaking, small progress, motivation, help, daily use, and belief. Every day is a new chance to improve. Every day we can learn new words, sentences, and ideas. Learning English is not only about studying many hours. Learning English is about using small steps, being consistent, and enjoying the process. A better day is a day with energy, happiness, and learning. Remember, English is not only for books. English is for speaking, listening, reading, writing, and enjoying. Every small step helps us get better. Every better day helps us improve. Every better day makes us closer to our goals. We can start today. Today can be a better day. Today, we can learn 5 new words, read 1 small story, listen to 1 English song, and speak 1 small sentence. Today can be a better day if we try. Today can be a better day if we believe in ourselves. Every day is important. Every day is a chance to be better. English is a key to the future, and every better day opens new doors. Thank you for listening.